Hi everyone, welcome back. Welcome back to another Unity stamp unbagging boxing. It comes in this white flat mailer, so I always say unbagging, but we say unboxing too, I guess. So this is going to be for the month of January. Again, the last video that you saw said snooze it or use it because we were completing 2023's, but this year for 2024, I haven't thought of a new name for the collaboration. Probably just like I don't know, something weird, funky. I didn't look at this one. I didn't take a sneak peek or anything like that. But let's see. Okay, let's see. Hello, crafty, lovely human. Uh oh. Uh oh. It says, hello, crafty, lovely, crafty human. After the production of our kit of the month for January is brought to our attention that there is a duplicate image in it. I chose a typewriter for the June 2023 kit of the month as well. I must have liked it. Along with a true love sentiment. To be sure you are happy with your kit, our customer service is offering up one itty bitty with your next purchase. So I got to buy something to get it free. Okay. Simply add it to your cart and use the code MESSUP24. I'm sorry for this and will do my best not to let it happen again in the future. All right. So then we got these dogs. Now this is a cute. I feel like Wondering Dreamer 555 would definitely like this image because she loves kitties and puppies. If you haven't been, first of all, if you haven't been to her channel, I don't know what you're doing. But she talks about some rescue dogs, and I'm just like, why don't you just take them in? But she's like, her dad won't let her, so I understand that too. I want a dog so bad, but right now my life is not set up for a dog. But I would like a little hound dog. You know, the ones with the long floppy ears. I think that's it. And then, oh, these are cute. This says "I love you," and it's two mature people cackling it up. Okay, so that's really cute. Let's look at the stuff that you get in your thing that's supposed to be free, but it's not. I'm not gonna take this out. It feels like it's about four or five. No, it's like three 6x6s. We got some words. My love, soulmate, love bite, um, betrothed, and then we got two different types of tags with some flat twine. And let's go ahead and get into these stamps. Are big. Love that for us. Love that for us. So yeah, this is a repeat. Yep. But this bird is very pretty. It says hi. No better place in the whole world than with you. That would be good with this one. Very cute. This tape. Some of y'all probably never even seen cassette tapes, right? But yeah, this used to happen. You have to roll it back up, but this would make me mad. It says, "Be mine, yours truly. You're my best friend." This is cute. That goes well with that one. It's been a long time. True love. I love you. You make me happy. Again, we got the typewriter and these little pooches, and it's really big flowers. So let's go ahead and look at the stamps. Now, these are all fairly decent size. I think this one is probably a lot bigger than normal. This is huge. Look at this. It covers up my whole hand. This one I'm a little bit worried about because I get worried about their mixed media stamps. So we have this one. We don't need that one. And then this little bird. I like this stamp set is very they did good. Kinda. Aside from the stamp, the typewriter. But for the most part, this is what we'll be working with in February. So when you're seeing this, actually February, right? But I make it in January. So anyway, I want to say thank you all for watching. Until next time, happy crafting.